This is just to understand the process. This is not to teach you how to do it. So I'm going to use the selection of sketch tools to make the shape that I want in Autodesk 123D Design. That's the shape that I want. And now I'm just going to alter that a little bit to get it how I want. Click on these points, move them about, you get the idea. So I'm just going to quickly offset that. Let's say 16 millimeters inside, done. To join it up and to make a shape and making axes. So then, now I've used these sketch shapes to make it, I'm going to use these construct tools to revolve that shape around this axis, and I'm going to use it 360 degrees because I want it to be an apple. Excellent. Well, now that we have the shape that we want, is we click up here and we simply send it to 123D Make. 123D Make, this is the program that we are going to be using to slice it and cut it up. The first thing that I've done is I've signed on, and then one of the first things that we do is we make sure that we put in the right materials that we want to be using to cut it up. So I'm going to make a new settings, and it's going to be in millimeters. The length of my piece of material and the size of the laser cutter bed is 730 millimeters by 430 millimeters, and the thickness of the material that I'm going to be cutting up is 3 millimeters. And then what we can do is we can use a selective technique to select the technique that we want to use to slice our object up. So we can slice it up using interlocking slices, such as this one here, and it gives us this quite fun grid design. But for circular objects, I prefer radial slices. There are a number of other options that you can use, but this is what I've used to make this lamp here. What I've done next is that I just moved down, gone into the slice direction, and just rotated that direction around 90 degrees, because that's what I think will look best, and that gives me this look here. Okay, so this here is the apple as I've decided to cut it out. I have 8 sections through the first axis and 12 sections spanning out through the center as the radial axis. And that's how I'm going to cut it. So how we do that now is we go to Get Plans and we download it as a PDF. So we make sure that that section is selected as a PDF, and then we export it simply by saving it like so. I have to open up CorelDRAW, which is this little green logo. You'll find CorelDRAW X7 in your program files. Open that up and create a new page. Once you've created the new page, what you can do is you can import a file by going up to import there and importing that same PDF that you have just saved. Import that, select curves, and place it however you want it. Now there are a few little things that we have to do, mainly kind of annoying things in this program. Just change it around to 90 degrees, ungroup it, get rid of that outside box, and change everything to red that you want cut. And once you've done that, here, this is ready to cut. Okay, so this lamp here, the Apple lamp, has just finished printing off. So this is it in here, it is the last one. So now we can take that out and put it together. And take all these pieces and slot them in together.